Good day, dear students, and let us start our lesson. Today we are going to discuss a new theme which is called planets. And the objectives of our lesson are to read and understand definitions and examples for some new words, remember the names of planets, and do the quiz about the solar system. Okay, let's start our investigation. At first, I want you to look at the 16th exercise on the page 106. What do you need to do? Firstly, just listen to me. On this page, we see the solar system. The solar system is translated like Солнечная система. It has got 9 planets. They are the Sun, the Mercury, the Earth, the Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Neptune, Saturn, and Uranus. So please students, listen and repeat after me. The Sun, the Sun, Mercury, Mercury, Earth, Earth, Venus, Venus, Mars, Mars, Jupiter, Jupiter, Neptune, Neptune, Saturn, Saturn, Uranus, Uranus. Okay, excellent. Now we are going to do a small quiz about planets. It is on the same page in the exercise number 17. Here you have to answer the questions and to collect your answers. For example, if you give a right answer for the first question, you will collect 1 planet, and so on. And after that, you will count your planets and look how did you manage with this exercise. For instance, if you got from 1 to 5 planets, it's unfortunately bad for you and your spaceship broke down. And if you got from 6 to 14, you can be a good astronomer or astronaut. And if you got 15, you are an excellent student, you are a star. Now please students, I want you to translate these words into Russian or English language. The first word is Mars, Mars, Earth, Земля, Венера, Venus, Юпитер, Jupiter, Saturn, Saturn, Mercury, Mercury, Уран, Uranus, Neptune, Neptune, and the last one, Солнце, the sun. Okay, and now please let's listen to the song of planets together. Pay attention to the pronunciation of the words and their spelling.
I am the sun. I'm a burning ball of fire. I'm very big indeed. Life on earth depends on me. I am the sun. I am Mercury. I'm the closest planet to the sun. I'm a ball of iron. I have no moon. I am Mercury. I am Venus. I'm the same size as the Earth, but I spin the other way and much more slowly. I have no water. I am Venus. I am the Earth, the place where we all live. There is land and lots of sea, so I look blue. I have a moon.
Now, students, I want to pay your attention to the words moon. Moon means луна. Here you can see the Earth's moon. Здесь вы можете увидеть луну. Луна переводится как moon. Let's continue.
I am the Earth. I am Mars. I'm a rocky red planet. My mountains are the highest in our solar system. I have 2 moons. I am Mars. I am Jupiter. I'm a gas giant. I'm the biggest, and I spin the fastest. I have the biggest moon. I am Jupiter. I am Saturn. I'm a gas giant. My rings are made of ice. Titan is my biggest moon. I am Saturn. I am Uranus. I'm an icy gas giant. I'm the coldest planet in our solar system. And I have rings made of dust. I am Uranus. I am Neptune. I'm an icy gas giant. I'm the farthest planet from the sun. I have many storms. I am Neptune. We are the solar system. We are the solar system.
Good. And now, students, your home task. Your home task will be to learn new words by heart and to make up 5 sentences with new words. Now, students, thank you for the lesson. Goodbye. See you next time.